Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are breaking down the ultimate step-by-step guide to setting up high-quality free IPTV playlists on all your devices. Internet Protocol. Television uses your high-speed internet connection to stream live television broadcasts, video-on-demand libraries, and catch-up TV directly to your screens. Unlike old school setups, no extra cable wiring, satellite dishes, or expensive long-term contracts are required. If you have searched online recently, you have likely run into misleading reviews trying to sell expensive paid subscriptions through hidden affiliate links. Those paid services often fail and start buffering right when you want to watch major live sporting events. At the same time, many public playlist links found on open forums are dead, unmaintained, or full of buffering issues. What you actually need is a legal, clean, and actively maintained M3U playlist source along with the right media player setup. In this video, we will walk through every single setup step clearly and practically so you can get up and running smoothly. Step 1 is understanding the core technical difference between an M3U playlist file and an M3U8 stream URL. An M3U link functions as a full digital catalog containing the stream addresses for hundreds or even thousands of television channels. You should not try to open an M3U link directly as if it were a single video stream. An M3U8 link, on the other hand, is the direct live streaming URL for one specific channel. Think of the M3U link as the complete table of contents in a book, while the M3U8 link is a single specific page inside that book. You load the full M3U link into a compatible IPTV player to automatically organize and load your complete channel list. Step 2 is installing and configuring the ideal media player software on your desktop or laptop computer. If you are running Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, the most versatile open-source media player available is VLC. Open your desktop web browser and navigate to www.videolan.org/VLC. Download the official installer for your specific operating system and complete the quick installation process. Launch the VLC media player application on your computer. Click on the media menu located at the top left corner of the interface. Select the Open Network Stream option from the drop-down menu list. Paste your target M3U playlist address directly into the network URL text field. Click the play button at the bottom of the window to import the channel list. To easily browse through all loaded channels, press Ctrl-L on Windows or Command-L on Mac OS to open the playlist side panel. If VLC takes longer than expected to parse the playlist online, download the M3U file directly to your drive and open the local file inside VLC. If you prefer not to install any software on your computer at all, you can use a web browser player. Open your browser and navigate to www.m3u8-player.net. Paste your M3U playlist URL or individual M3U8 channel link into the prompt field on the website. Click the play icon to start streaming live channels inside your browser window instantly without installing third-party apps. Step 3 is selecting and installing the right media player app for your smartphone, tablet, or smart TV setup. If you are using an Android TV box or an Amazon Fire TV stick, TechVibes is the best big screen player available. TVMate features a full grid-style electronic program guide that feels just like a premium cable setup. Download TVMate directly from the Google Play Store or sideload the application onto your Fire TV device. Open TechVibes, select Add Playlist, choose the M3U URL option, and paste your playlist link directly using your remote control. If you switch frequently between mobile devices, desktop computers, and smart TVs, install IPTV Smarters Pro. IPTV Smarters Pro provides a uniform user interface across Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, and Fire TV platforms. Launch IPTV Smarters Pro, select Load Your Playlist or File, and type in a playlist name. Select the M3U URL format, and paste your link to load your streams. If you are fully built into the Apple ecosystem, download GSE Smart IPTV from the Apple App Store. GSE Smart IPTV supports custom program guides and features full AirPlay integration. Open GSE Smart IPTV on your iPhone or iPad, tap Remote Playlists, tap the plus icon, select Add M3U URL, paste your link, and start watching. You can tap the AirPlay icon inside GSE Smart IPTV to stream channels directly to your Apple TV without installing additional hardware apps. If you own an LG Smart TV running Web OS or a Samsung Smart TV running Tizen, use SSIPTV. Open the LG Content Store or Samsung App Store directly on your television screen and search for SSIPTV. Install and launch SSIPTV on your television to generate a temporary connection code on your screen. Open a web browser on your phone or laptop and navigate to www.ss-iptv.com/edit-playlist. Enter the connection code displayed on your TV screen into the website portal to pair your device. Click Add Item, paste your M3U playlist link into the URL box, click Save, and return to your television screen. Refresh the main screen on your television app to instantly access your synced live channels without typing long web links with your TV remote. If you prefer a comprehensive home media center interface, install Kodi on your device. Launch Kodi, navigate to the Add-ons menu, and select My Add-ons. Select PVR clients and choose the PVR IPTV simple client from the available list. Click Configure, select M3U playlist URL. Paste your link, save the settings, and enable the add-on. Restart Kodi and navigate to the dedicated TV section on the main dashboard to access your live channels and program guides seamlessly. Step 4 is optimizing your home internet network to ensure smooth, high bitrate video playback. Standard definition resolution video streams require a minimum download speed of 5 megabits per second. High definition 1080p resolution streams require a stable download speed of at least 10 to 15 megabits per second. Ultra-high definition 4K video streams require a minimum download speed of 25 megabits per second. If multiple people in your household watch different video streams simultaneously, multiply these requirements by the total number of connected users. For example, 4 simultaneous high-definition streams in one house require a minimum total internet speed of 60 megabits per second. If your TV box or computer is currently connected over a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, connect it to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network instead for higher bandwidth. Whenever possible, run an Ethernet network cable directly from your internet router to your streaming device.
Direct wired Ethernet connections eliminate wireless interference, lower overall signal latency, and prevent sudden stream buffering. Pause heavy file downloads, background system updates, and automated cloud backups on other household devices while streaming live TV. Step 5 is executing simple technical fixes to troubleshoot stream failures and playback bugs. If a specific television channel fails to play, copy the individual channel link and test IT inside www.m3U8-player.net to verify if the source server is temporarily offline. If streams buffer continuously during playback, reboot your wireless router and your streaming device to clear cache memory. If you hear live channel audio but only see a blank black screen, open your IPTV player application settings menu. Navigate to the video decoder section and switch the video decoding mode from hardware decoding to software decoding. If your player allows custom DNS server settings, set your device primary DNS address to DNS 8.8.8.8 and your secondary DNS address to DNS 1.1.1.1 for faster connection lookup. If you connect your streaming media box to a 4K television set, ensure your physical cable supports HDMI 2.1 specifications to maintain high bandwidth output. That completes our practical step-by-step setup guide for high-quality free IPTV playback across all your devices. If this video helped you set up your streams, please hit the like button. Subscribe to TechVibes for more useful technology guides, setup walkthroughs, and practical tutorials. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or need extra assistance getting your playlist configured.